naman sa pagdayo niyo sa amin dito all the way sa Antipolo. Oh, malapit ng babae mo rito. Sana nakapag-lunch na din kayo. And thank you for coming today.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nagpunta dito. And sana masuportahan niyo po yung aming palabas na Your Memo.
Nandiyan po si Jessie Mendiola.
Yeah.
Hi everyone.
So welcome Jessie Mendiola.
Thank you for being here. Thank you for having us. Malapit na po, November 9.
Jess?
Hello po, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Ayun, sana po supportahan niyo kami. Yan lang, thank you.
Okay, our first question will come from attorney Sheila Reyes of ABS-CBNnews.com. Sheila?
Hello po, good afternoon. You're going to start a new teleserye. Will this be joining the primetime block of ABS-CBN po? Since you are joining the primetime block, do you expect na yung continuous soaring of ratings nung every teleserye mapapantayan nyo po or at least or masusurpass pa?
We're always hoping for the best po. Ratings-wise, basta ang gusto lang namin magustuhan ng audience. Kasi, well, realistically po, medyo late na talaga kami. We will come after Otwal, tama ba? So, medyo half of the Philippines is already asleep by then. Hindi po, basta, kasi ibang klase naman yung tina-target audience natin for the show. Yung mga medyo late na matulog, yung mga mothers, yung mga ganyan. Yun. We're hoping for the best. Sana po kagatin at magustuhan ng audience. Attorney po talaga kayo?
Yes.
Ang bata. Good luck po.
Good luck, Attorney Sheila. Our next question will come from Jimpy Anarcon of the Philippine Entertainment Portal.
Sorry. Hello po. For Miss Dawn and Direct Jerry po. Kasi po, di ba, late 2013, there was a show din na in-announce ng Dreamscape na You're My Home. But we would like to clarify lang if this show is different from that.
Actually, yes, it is. Actually different. Pareho lang yung title pero iba yung storya talaga.
Yan po. And then for the cast po, what makes your show distinct from all the teleseries that have been aired or airing right now?
Well, for one, ang sentro ng storya kasi na ito is family. It's really the story of a family and the members of a family, of a unit, and yung relationships nila sa bawat isa. I think dun mas nakasentro yung storya nito as compared to the other teleseries. May pamilya rin, pero ito talaga sa atin, mas yun ang niya, core.
Sabi niya actually, yun. Kung napapansin niyo po, hindi ganun kalaki yung cast. Kadami, I mean. So meaning, piling-pili bawat sa kanila kasi lahat sila buong